All right, let's get you news from the markets. Adani stocks have jumped up to 7% as investors cheered the Mahayuti's Maha win. All Adani stocks opened higher on Monday after the Mahayuti alliance swept the Maharashtra Assembly elections. So the Adani stocks rising as much as 7% at the opening tick. In all, Sensex rising 1,300 points as the Adani stocks rally. And this is as the flagship firm itself jumped 4%. This is also, of course, the markets reacting to the news of course, the Mahayuti's landslide win in Maharashtra. A message essentially of stability. So this is, in fact, the Indian stock markets rallying after the NDA's massive victory in Maharashtra. Stocks of the Adani Group opening higher. And remember that the reason this is also important to note is because we saw how the markets reacted and how the Adani stock was hit by the US court's indictment against Gautam Adani last week. Now you're seeing a reaction also to, in fact, the decision or the mandate of the people of Maharashtra. You had, in fact, most of the Adani Group stocks rising at open, with the Adani Energy Solutions particularly surging nearly 7%. The stock of Adani Green Energy soaring to 6.6, soaring in fact by 6.42%. Adani Total Gas, Adani Ports, Adani Power, all of them rallying and climbing ahead. Now this also many are reading as a reaction to the victory of the Mahayuti in the Maharashtra elections. And remember that this also is a positive reaction because of the Dharavi redevelopment project by the Adani Group, a project that's with the Adani Group. There was also something that was a big political talking point. And with the Aghadi's view very clear on the Dharavi redevelopment project, the fact that the Mahayuti has come back with such a tsunami, with such a landslide win, also proves that, this is a positive outcome for the Dharavi redevelopment project.